This is how you judge. You first go into File Explorer. You go to this PC. You go to C. You go to UIL Soft Solutions. And then you paste. You get a copy from the student's team. You paste. And you run it. So I'm going to show you how to run it. Then I go down here to the search and I type command. So it goes to the command prompt. Then I go to C. I do a directory. I go to CD UILP and hit tab. So I'll go into that directory. Then I see the judge.bat file. So I say judge. And then I say dry run. Then I pick the correct team. I'm going to go ahead and pick 12 for our demonstration. Where it says insert submit floppy into drive, just ignore that. So right off the bat here it says compiling program. It says the semicolon is incorrect. So we go ahead and close. We give it back to the student or we just delete it. So I'm just going to go ahead and fix this, but I'm going to have a logic error right here. I'm going to introduce a logic error. So the student gives you a dry run again. You paste it. Command prompt. C. CDULIP. UILP. Hit tab. Directory I will see judge.bat. Judge. Dry run. I'm working with team 12. Hit enter. Hit enter. So the compiling worked. It's a running program. And then it pops up and it gives you this screen. So when you see a whole bunch of red lines here, that it did not work correctly. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out. Close this out. So I'm just going to go ahead and edit here, but pretend like the student gave me a new one. So we're pretending like the student finally fixed it. One thing that I do want to point out, when you come over and you are doing the assessment, pretend like this is problem 1. Each time they submit it, it's wrong. So you put P1 here. Then you're going to say -5. And then you're going to say P1. That's still problem 1. I'm assuming I'm running problem 1 just for demonstration, but I'm using dry run. So I've got that. So both those mistakes, the compile counts as 1 error and the wrong output counts as 1 error. So go to here. Directory, go back up to UILP. Then we see judge, so I'm going to say judge. And we're going to put dry run. And we're going to put 12. So you get a message like this. Revisions are identical or differ by white space only. So if you see this, then you can go ahead and give them full credit. So at this point right here, I would either write on a piece of paper, and I would give them, if this is problem, we're pretending like it's problem 160, then automatically does it. You can also do this on paper if you want to. I'll have some copies of this. So I say okay. Close that. Go ahead and delete it, and then wait for the next student to come. They will have clarification sheets, a request that if they don't think understanding what you're asking them. They will also have run sheets. The clarification sheet request, I'll probably have a couple per team or 3. The run sheets, I will have 6 to 7. We'll have extra on the premises if anybody needs them. We will also have UIL computer science programming team verification forms that they can use to compare against, like if there's a really close one, they can see if compare it to what y'all got, and then y'all make a decision on which one is correct. And remember my judging spreadsheet. You can print it and write on it, or you can update it online, which you will find inside the UIL programming directory. Let's go take a look finding that judge's grading sheet. So if you look under UIL, go under C, UIL programming. That's where we also have the batch file. Then you'll have UIL judge. So if I double click on that, it's going to give me the sheet. You can update it online, or you can, but I'll have printed copies that you can write on.